In this video, we are going to see how we can create ISO file of 200 GB from folders. So the theory for this is, so we have to create large ISO file image from files and folders. The ISO with UDF support can handle more than 200 GB. So this is useful if you want a mountable image of your data. To create a 200 GB ISO file with UDF support, you can use Windows tools like ImageBurn that support UDF. And these are the steps that we have to change the file system to UDF only. Set UDF revision to 2.60, add files, and then build the ISO. And here, these are the mandatory things. Ensure 64-bit operating system in the file system, like NTFS for handling large files. Most tools will fail silently or truncate if UDF or ISO level is too low. So the recommended UDF revision is 2.60. So let's install ImageBurn tool. For this, go to Google, type the ImageBurn. This is the first official website. Go to download, click on Mirror 7. So the software will be downloaded. Now to install it, just click on that one, run. Next, I accept the license. Let it be full. Click on finish. Now our software has been installed. Now what we want to do is just to show that this is our test folder, which is of 109 GB. I just want to create an ISO image file, single file out of this file and folders, and that ISO file will be very large, so we have to use the UDF version, UDF feature, UDF support of ImageBurn. So let's do one by one. Click on ImageBurn software. Now here we have to go to create image file from files or folders. Here we have to supply the source. So let's browse for a folder which was our D drive test, and this is our destination. It will be the ISO file which will be created with the UDF support. There are many formats. Let's choose ISO only. Click on save. Here go to options. It should be model 1. Here I was talking about file system should be UDF only, and the UDF revision should be 2.60, and let it be recursive subdirectory, so that all the subdirectories in this test folder are also written to this ISO file. Now click on this label also. So the label of this will be DVD label. Then click on this build button. Build button, this one. You have only selected one folder. Would you like me to just add the contents of test to the image? Click on yes. Click on OK. So writing image has started. Here it will show you time elapsed, and here it will be giving you time remaining, which is 6 minutes here. Let's stop the video for some time. This is a destination file, which is ISO file that will be created. Click on OK. Now our file has been created here in D drive. Let's see this one. So the ISO file with UDF support has been created. it is 109 GB. So that was the purpose of this image run software. Now to view the contents of uh, this ISO file, we have to mount it. For this, we have to mount it into these any of these drives. So for that, we have to use some another software. How to mount a ISO file? ImageBurn does not support mounting ISO files. It is only for reading, writing, and creating ISO and image files. To mount an ISO file, that means to make it appear as a virtual drive, you need a virtual drive tool. So we are going to use virtual clone drive, which is free and lightweight. So for this, go to Google, virtual clone drive. We have to search, go to this one, first link, click on download. Once it downloads, then we have to open this freeware software, run it to install. I agree, next, install, show details. Once it is completed, then click on close button. Now this is my virtual clone drive. Here I can mention the number of drives. It should be 1, and I have clicked on this button, eject to unmount image file. Click on OK. So if you go here, there is no image file mounted. To see the image file, to mount the image file, you just right click on the ISO file. If you are using Windows 11 and 10, then no need for this additional software. You just right click and there you will be getting the amount option automatically. Here we have to right click this file, then we have to click on mount virtual clone drive H drive. So once this is done, then you will see that our H drive with this label DVD label has been mounted. The file system of this drive is UDF, and here we have our files which we had installed, which we had written to this software. So this is how the software works. Thank you for watching the video.